Kentucky's High Court must decide whether a state law can shift powers from the Jefferson County School Board to the superintendent. WLKY's Madison Elliott is in the newsroom to break down the case. Madison?
Jennifer, a section of Senate Bill 1 applies to a school district with a consolidated government, which is JCPS, because it has a merged government. The school board sued, and the justices reheard the case today. After JCPS sued, a Jefferson County court and the Kentucky Court of Appeals both found the legislation unconstitutional. But last December, the Kentucky Supreme Court reversed that decision. In April, the justices voted to rehear the case, which is what happened Wednesday. Not only would Senate Bill 1 limit their powers, but board members are only allowed to meet every 4 weeks and can't approve contracts under $250,000. David Tackall, who represents the board, says there's no justification.
The legislature did not have any hearings. It did not conduct any public inquiry. It did not have any discussion.
Critics have called this special legislation, or laws that apply to a specific locality. The Kentucky Constitution prohibits this to ensure fairness under the law. In a 4-3 Supreme Court ruling in December, the majority opinion said the law didn't directly call out Louisville or JCPS and could be applied to other districts in the future, and therefore it's not targeted.
If we are living with a firm basis in reality, then Senate Bill 1 only applies to Jefferson County. It's only going to apply to Jefferson County for the foreseeable future.
Kentucky Solicitor General Matthew Kuhn argued the legislature needs the ability to tailor public policies to meet specific needs.
JCPS is in size and complexity and geography unlike any other school district in the state. And the General Assembly has to be able to fix problems in a targeted way.
Kuhn also argued there could be broader implications.
There's a lot of laws that are going to be imperiled that have been passed to benefit consolidated local governments, urban county governments that are unique to them.
The General Assembly is not going to be handcuffed at all, and the world's not going to end if this court declares Senate Bill 1 to be unconstitutional.
No decision was made today, and we're not sure when the justices will issue their ruling. In the newsroom, Madison Elliott, WLKY News.